What if I told you that for just $99, you could get a smartphone with Android 15, a 48MP Sony camera, and features that phones twice the price don't even have? Meet the BlueFox NX1, the compact powerhouse that's redefining what budget smartphones can do. First impressions matter, and the NX1 nails it. At just 106 grams, this is one of the lightest smartphones you'll find today. The 4-inch full LCD screen might seem compact in 2025, but that's exactly the point. This is for people who want a phone that actually fits in their pocket. The display delivers 321 ppi sharpness, 500 nits brightness for outdoor visibility, and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. Plus, with that Type-C charging port and yes, a headphone jack, BlueFox remembered what users actually want. Under the hood, we got the MediaTek Helio G81 chipset. That an 8-core processor with 2 high-performance A75 cores at 2.0 GHz and 6 efficiency A55 cores at 1.7 GHz. Translation? This phone handles everything from social media to light gaming without breaking a sweat. You get 2 storage options, 4 GB RAM with 64 GB storage, or step up to 8 GB RAM with 128 GB storage. Both run Android 15 out of the box, so you're getting Google's latest features and security updates. Now let's talk cameras. That rear shooter? It's a Sony IMX230 sensor pushing 48 megapixels. Sony sensors are trusted by flagship phones for a reason. The image quality here punches way above the $99 price point. The 5MP front camera handles video calls and selfies with clarity you wouldn't expect at this price. Whether it's daylight portraits or low-light shots, the NX1 delivers photos you'll actually want to share. Here's where things get interesting. Dual SIM support for managing work and personal lines. 4G connectivity with hotspot capability. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi router anywhere. Bluetooth 5.0 for your wireless accessories. But here's the cool-out feature. Built-in infrared, remote control. Control your TV, air conditioner, sound system. Your phone becomes a universal remote. How many flagship phones offer that? Face recognition unlock, call recording capability, and all the connectivity options you need in 2025. The 3,000 mAh battery might seem modest, but remember, this is a 4-inch screen with an efficient processor. You're easily getting a full day of use, and Type-C charging means you're back to 100% quickly. So here's the bottom line. The BlueFox NX1 isn't trying to compete with $1,000 flagships. Instead, it's asking a simple question. What if your smartphone just worked without breaking the bank? For $99, you get Android 15, a Sony 48MP camera, IR remote control dual SIM, and a compact design that actually fits your life. Sometimes the best phone isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that does exactly what you need it to do. The BlueFox NX1 proves that great smartphones don't have to cost a fortune. If this review helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, are you team compact phone or team massive screen? Links to check current pricing are down below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.